Welcome to my channel. I am Dr. K. Vasuki. Here we are going to discuss the theoretical models in social work practice. Specifically, we are going to discuss about empowerment social work theory. First, we want to clear the term theory means. A theory is a set of ideas which is systematically proved. It has evidence, it has reasoning, and also it gives clear explanation about happened and happening in a particular ways, and also used to predict outcome of the future. We will discuss about empowerment. Empowerment means it is process of increasing personal interpersonal power, because when individual does not hold power, the problem arises. Clear? So, power plays vital role in the empowerment. With the power, the individuals, families and communities can take action to improve their situation. Empowerment processes work on three levels, that are Indira, power within, Inder, power with, and the social, power in relation with social force or power against social force. But we cannot separate each other because it has connectedness and interlinked. In helping profession, social worker and the client are in position of considerable power. Social worker should possess the power to enhance and educate the client about their conditions and help him to identify and access the possible resources and services. Social worker has the power to facilitate the client with possible intervention choices to solve problems. Here, client also have power to choose or take decision on option throughout problem solving process. What is empowerment here? Social worker are to examine the causes of the problem, like are they having decision making power of one's own? Are they having access to information and resources to make proper decision? And skill of decision making from range of options. Are they have ability of assertiveness and positive thinking and the ability to make change. Social workers strives to empower individuals. Individual can overcome their challenges like personal, family, illness, emotional trauma like divorce, abuse, substances abuse, death of loved one. Being a social worker, we cannot focus only on individual, but it concerned about the empowerment of groups and community. Here, empowerment theory in social work used to promoting self-development and awareness and helps people to address their oppressive forces. This theory involves in intervention method to guide people to achieve the personal, interpersonal and social and political power to enhance their condition, and also this theory used to prevent people from unexpected situation. Dimension of empowerment. The empowerment forms a practical approaches as a tool to increase the responsibility of the citizen to promote civic consciousness. Self-efficacy. Every individual must have power and should believe their skills and ability of doing something which requires to their development. Here, social worker should help client by educating about their situation and their powers, and also they want to know about their power blocks so that it helps them to develop their skills to overcome their problems. Social worker can guide individuals through therapies that help clients to explore their beliefs, how to change them, and also help them to develop coping skills to adjust to their environment. For example, behavioral therapy. Some of the behavior we learned from past, it might affect client's life negatively. In behavioral therapy, social worker must not spend time to identify the unconscious reason for the client behavior. Instead, social worker focuses on ways to change behavioral reaction and pattern that cause distress. Okay, next one is critical consciousness. What is critical consciousness? Critical consciousness means is the ability to recognize their oppression and injustice and innovative ways to solve their problems. Clients should be educated on their socio-political economical condition so that they can understand their real condition and they can involve as a individual or group to obtain their social conditions. Group members in a group will share their problem. It definitely help them to understand that they are not the only person with a problem. In a world, everyone has its own problem. Development, conscientization plays vital role because conscientization, first of all, we discuss about conscientization. Conscientization means awareness about their current socio-economical, political and cultural conditions. Without awareness, people will not become participant. And with give them participation with involvement. Without awareness, people will not become participant and they will not give their participation with full involvement. Micro level, the areas of intervention include therapy like behavioral modification therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, gestalt therapy, rational emotive therapy helps to identify their skills and their strength, and also it helps to educate or inculcate the skills of behavioral modification and helps them become self-worth and empowered people. Okay, next one is case management. Case management is a collaborative process of assessment, planning, facilitation, intervention, implementation in transforming lives through individualized care and service. Clients should know to the result or benefit on their participation. Without knowing that the benefits, they will not give their participation and become their advocates. Social worker should educate and empower the people to become autonomy and independence. Insight techniques. Social worker must adapt various techniques to give or make them aware about their true nature and their condition and problems. Through various therapies, case management and some social programs, through that client can empower and achieve their goals. Macro level tools. Political advocacy. Advocacy is an activity of individuals and groups to influence decision on political and socio-economical institutions in order to bring about changes in laws and policies. Program development. It explains and educates the public about their issues and problems through propaganda, campaign, canvases, street theatre, which helps local residents working together to address their needs and solve their problem. Research project. It is a step-by-step process of systematic inquiry which requires related information. The collected information should be organized and analyzed and also verified with proper tools, and also measure with the proper tools to be verified based on the evidence and to be implemented to empower the people. Empowerment theory in social work. The social work uses a five-step problem-solving model to achieve its goals. Identify the problem, define strengths, set goals, implement intervention, evaluate success on a collaborative level. The goal of social worker is to identify the problem and they have to define strength of the clients, and based on the strength and abilities social worker with the support of client they have to set goals. Goals should be measurable, want to be simple and achievable, and they have to find out intervention method and they have to put into action, and throughout they have to evaluate the success whether they are in correct track or what else need to change. And for better understanding, social worker should understand the client in diverse perspective manner, and they have to get clear idea through critical questions. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, kindly comments below. I'll definitely clear you. Thank you, Mike. Thank you.